Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public profile on Snapchat. First, understand that a public profile lets you share content with a broader audience, not just your friends. This feature is excellent for creators and businesses looking to expand their reach. To qualify, you generally need to be at least 18 years old and have maintained an active Snapchat account for some time. Let's dive into the steps. To start, open your Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down your profile screen. You should see an option labeled Create Public Profile right below your name. If you don't see it, you might not meet the eligibility criteria yet. Tap this option and follow the initial on-screen instructions to confirm you want to proceed with creating your public presence. Once your public profile is initiated, it's time to personalize it. Tap Edit Profile to add a captivating bio that tells people about you or your brand. Upload a professional or engaging profile picture that represents you well. You can also link other social media accounts, like YouTube, to provide more ways for your audience to connect. Remember to select which of your stories and spotlights you want to make visible to the public. To grow your public profile, consistently post engaging public stories and submit your best content to Spotlight. Actively interact with your audience by responding to comments and messages, fostering a sense of community. This engagement helps build a loyal following and increases your visibility on the platform. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.